Are you curious about which platform is better for online work? Today, we're comparing Remotasks and Clickworker. Both of these platforms offer opportunities to earn money by completing simple tasks from home. They connect freelancers with companies that need help with various jobs. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Remotasks. This platform focuses on tasks like image annotation, data categorization, and transcription. It's user friendly and has a clear training process. You can learn the ropes quickly and start working on tasks that suit your skills. Now, let's look at Clickworker. This site offers a wider range of tasks, including writing, proofreading, and surveys. The variety can be appealing. Clickworker also has a straightforward interface, making it easy for new users to jump in. So, what are the key differences? Remotasks tends to have more specialized tasks, while Clickworker offers a broader range of options. If you enjoy focused work, Remotasks might be your best bet. But if you prefer variety, Clickworker is likely the way to go. When it comes to features, both platforms have mobile apps, so you can work on the go. However, Remotasks requires you to complete training before you can start earning. Clickworker allows you to dive right into tasks after signing up. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both platforms pay you based on the task you complete. Remote tasks can have higher payouts for specific tasks, while Clickworker offers more consistent, smaller payments. In the end, if you want specialized tasks and are willing to go through training, choose remote tasks. If you prefer variety and flexibility, go with Clickworker. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.